Now speak.
It is such a fascinating event occur in our
Go the
school,
back.
organized by our school, and we are seriously so lucky that we are able to attend this workshop. And biotech is seriously amazing subject, and students are so interesting to uh, attend such workshops, and we have a opportunity to attend this workshop, and we come to know amazing facts and about our DNA, plant DNA, and there are so many other things we come to know, and we uh, we really thank you. I want to thanks you and want you come again there with new ideas, new opportunities, and such great things. We come, we all, we also come to know what about such other topics. Thanks.